Hello friends, welcome and thanks for joining us in this another video of writing skill section. We'll talk about debate writing today. Debate writing is also one of the good questions to fetch good marks in exams. So in this video friends, I will tell you what is debate, marking a scheme of debate, format of debate, do's and don'ts of debate, and at last we'll solve this question as per the given instructions of debate writing. Let's discuss what is debate. Debate is one of the interesting events where both the parties or teams try to defeat each other. They will be given a topic and they have to speak in favor or in against of the topic. So both the parties do lots of researches. They read lots of editorials, opinions in newspapers, and then prepare their script of debate, which requires lots of time and lots of hard work to prepare a very nice script of debate. So, in this question, we will learn how to write the script of debate. So, let's discuss the marking scheme of debate. Marking scheme, there are total 10 marks in debate writing. 1 mark is for title, the other 4 marks is for content. Rest of the 5 marks includes spelling, grammar, coherence, relevance, and facts and figures of the script. So this includes 10 marks of debate writing. Now let's discuss the format of debate. Format of debate has got following parts: introduction, body, solution, and conclusion. And at last, first we have to give heading also. So this is the format of debate. Now let's discuss what are the do's and don'ts of debate. In debate, you have to, first of all, you have to use very good language, very good vocab to make your point clear. Presentation is must in debate. Good, present your points very nicely. Next, leave appropriate lines between the paragraphs. Then check your grammar or spelling mistakes after finishing of writing of script of debate. Then please, whatever points you are writing in the script, do confirm the facts and figures while writing those points. Then some of the things you have to mention from your end also, and try to make your speech in a systematic order. You have to follow the given format of debate writing. Now let's discuss some don'ts of debate writing. You don't have to share personal information in debate writing. Then no use of slangs and short forms, no use of wrong facts and figures. Do not waste too much time in quotations. It is good you should apply quotations in debate, but if you waste a lot of time, then you may somewhere fumble up with the real script and main content of the script. So you can use quotations, but do try to focus on the main object and main meaning of the topic. So this is how you have to write the entire script of the debate. Now let's discuss this question. This will help you out to prepare or write a good script of debate. So let's see what is this question. First of all, let me read this question for you and then we'll solve it. You are Mukul or Mahima of Alps Public School. Your school has organized a debate on social media and its effects. So the topic of debate is social media and its effects, and you will be participating from your school. Prepare your views in favor and against. So you can take any motion, favor or against, and then you have to write the script. Now let's see how we can write the script. First of all, mention the topic in capital letters, social media and its effects, the way I have mentioned you. Then introduction. In introduction, these 3 points you have to include first, good morning everyone. How will you speak? Good morning everyone. Respected chief guest, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Mukul from Apps School is going to speak in favor of social media and its effects. Here's the lines. Then, name of the topic. This is the introduction you have to speak, but it has to be very impressive. It has to be very catchy so that you can captivate, you can attract the audience towards you. So, this is how you have to write the introduction part. Now, let's go to the body part. Body part, first of all, you have to explain the meaning of the topic. So, what is social media? Social media is a platform where you can share your thoughts, personal feelings, and it is a part of internet. So, through internet, we all have connected on the platform of social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp. These are the some platforms where people are associated or connected with each other. And on Twitter or Instagram, people can share their views or their opinions about any topic. So this is how you can explain the meaning. Then use quotes. You can use different quotes for clearing your points. Then clear your thoughts. Clear your thoughts. This is the main body, friends. Here you have to explain the whole concept of the topic. The topic is social media and its effects. So you have to mention all the information about the social media and its effects, which requires lots of research, lots of materials to be read, so that you can have many points to share on the body section. Now solution. In solution part, if you have nothing to say, you can say that, friends, I would feel that there are a lot of awareness campaigns, lots of laws, lots of implementations have to be done to create the awareness about social media, which help out the students, which will help out the students to the public to know the real use of it, and people will be aware of its merits and demerits. So this is how you can end the conclude the give the solution. At last, conclusion, clarification of statement and thanking audition. At last, you have to give your point. I feel that social media has got good impact on the masses, and it is a platform which connect people from all over the world. And you can give positive. If you are speaking in favor motion, you have to give positive closing. If you are giving in negative motion, you have to give negative points. So it depends which motion you are opting for. Next, thanking the audience. At last, I would like to thank my chief guest, honorable judges, teachers, principals, and my dear friends. Thanks a lot for joining this debate. I hope I have given good points, and then you can take off. So this is how you have to write down the whole script of debate, and it should have systematic way of writing. And then do take care of word limits. Word limits is 150 to 200 words. Don't go beyond that. And make sure you have to give lines in between the paragraph, so that reader would be easily understand it. And do recheck it before proceeding to the next question. So recheck your debate, whatever you have written in the script, correct your spelling and grammatical mistakes. So this is the way, and these are the rules and regulations which help you out to write the correct script of debate. So I hope, friends, you have understood the entire question of debate writing. Today I have explained you with the help of question how to read the question and how to form the entire script. You can underline main headings, that would be great, and that would be nice for the reader to understand your script. Friends, here I would, at the end, I would like to give one tip with you for the exam. You have to write the exams in such a way you have to provide ease towards to your evaluator, to the person who is checking your paper. The more it would be easier for him to check your paper, the more marks you can fetch. So you have to write your paper very systematically, so that the evaluator will understand in just a one look what exactly he wants to say. The more it would be easier for him to read the paper, the more marks you can fetch in your answers. So do your uh, exam very nicely, write your answers very systematically, use good vocab, write clean handwriting, and do check every answers. Please friends, check your work, that will save your marks. So thanks for watching this video. I am sure you have liked this session of debate writing and you have got an idea how to solve this question. So have a nice day. Bye bye, and do subscribe this channel to get latest information on English language. So have a nice weekend and happy learning.